Hello Dynodaze, it's Groscore here. What's going on, man? Giving you a massive call out to your amazing company. Danny at Dynodaze, let's talk about your bloody amazing business. If you don't know me, I'm Groscore. I'm a I was a famous Twitch streamer. I was the biggest Twitch streamer there was. And right now I'm doing a bit of YouTube, but I'm doing OnlyFans with my partner right now. It's amazing. Bloody hell. Let me give a call out to Danny and his amazing company. Danny has this amazing company, Dynodaze Performance. Look at the bloody reviews. Nearly 5 stars of 240 people. This guy is amazing. This guy does all sorts. Let's take a look at his websites. Look how gorgeous his website is. Wow, look at the layout. Look at that. Full-on customer support there and then. He does all these cars. Bloody hell, man. Take a look. And I've got a Supra as well. So all I've got to do is go here, click Toyota, and then from there we get a drop down of Supra. Click it and then take a look how easy that is just to access. Look how cheap the price. It's all high branded stuff, but it's a really reasonable price. My God, Danny. Wow, I know where I'm taking my Supra, bruv. Not just that, but Danny, your company is so amazing. You've got a YouTube channel and all the videos that I've looked at, bro, they're so good. They're like 20 minutes long. Full HD camera. Bloody hell, the ins and outs of the company. Let's take a look at that. Over 2,700 videos. So if you go to this guy and his company, you might be featured on one of his YouTube channels. Look how active this was. This was made 22 hours ago. Look at that. 8 minutes long, 11 minutes long. Look at this. My God. And this just goes on and on and on. Wow. And I also found this video here of this Supra that was absolutely done. Right, proper done. And it's been sprayed candy. Was that a red liquid candy wrap? And look how gorgeous this thing is. Oh my God, I had to drop you a like because it's so good. 0 dislikes, of course, because you're proper legit and everyone loves you. Look at this. What a bloody beauty. Oh my God, Danny, you and the boys have done a smashing job. Absolutely amazing.
Show it off.
Look at that, full commentary.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's what I just said. Look at that. Bloody hell. Beautiful bloody job you've done there. Wow, look at that. Look at the camera quality. My God. Danny also has this Instagram page, which is really phenomenal. You can see all the cars he's been working on, so it's proper legit. I love this. Over 6,000 followers. Take a look. Oh, look at all the cool pictures of all the cars. You got Honda S2000 there, Honda Civic Type R. My God, Mitsubishi's in there. Just take a look. All the flames. Look at this. This is one dope-ass page. A Supra, another Honda S2000, another Supra. Oh, I love this so much. Just when you think I was done, there is more. He's got a TikTok account. Look at this. You boys know you can do a dyno. This guy does a dyno run, all the spitting, the flames. Take a look, bruv. This guy has everything on here. It's freaking hey, look at all the flames it spits. My God. This just goes on. You can clearly see you bloody love your job. And this is why you've got a really successful company. Just look how much time you put into all of this. Wow. So if you want Danny to do your car, your Japanese sport car and other things, take a look at his website. It's Dynodaze. Take a bloody look. And Danny, you've done such a good job. I might just bring my Supra to you because as you can see, we've got all these stone chips in this car. Look at my intercooler. Definitely needs a bit of a clean under here. All the leaves here needs to all be sorted out. But Danny, I might bring my car just to your company as well. It's only like 100 miles away from me. And take a look at this damage here. So I know where I'm going to go. If Danny can fix this, I will love him forever. My guy. So there you go. Boys, check out Danny at Dynodaze. You are an amazing man. You have a very successful company. It's a beautiful day. You are wonderful. I wish you the best for your company. Keep smashing it, my man. Stop. Press stop.